Suggestion first and foremost, principally the projects are not required for Goa. गोंयाक पहिले project कित्याक हे हाडल्या हो पयलो एक प्रश्न येता. Wherein all the three projects we have discussed. Karnataka, where it comes to about road infrastructure, we are not in consonance. आम्ही करतात ते करतात दोन वेगळे आसा. We are overboard trying to widen the highways. Wherein Karnataka Kali areas is still indispensable. When you're having issues discussed in Karnataka, the same are not being considered in Goa. Environmentally, you have Karnataka and Goa being shown separately. Again, Mollem being put in three different parts for environmental clearances. So straight away shows that there is something much more than what is required to be seen. But Digambar Kamal also, his power minister's time, he shared what are the load requirement. So, जो powerचा तामणार project येऊन सोडता, what is the peak power, what is the off-peak power, here discuss केले. What are the options required, that also has been spoken about. The own JERC norms and the commission which we are following says that we need to shift to solar, roughly about 150 megawatts to be generated by 2022. So your ideas, kalpana, jo asat, any wrong information going from Rail Vikas Nigam, the rest of the authorities to them, for promotion of whether it is Adani or Ambani or coal, where we are saying no to coal, has been a very clear statement. So we have appraised him of what the repercussions are. If we are a tourism state and we are wanting to be a tourism state and looking at options of being a knowledge-based industry, I think we are waywardly going different towards coal. कोळसो गोंयकारांक नाका वो क्लियर आसा. कोळशाचे शिपमेंट कमी जावंक जाय हें सेंट्रली मोदी सरकार उलयता की कोळसो देंवतलो म्हणून. कोळसो देंवतलो जाल्यार रेल्वे कित्याक जाय? वेन पॅसेंजर्स आर नॉट मच ऑन द ट्रॅक. डबल ट्रॅकिंग कित्याक प्रायोरिटी घेतल्या? दादागिरी कित्याक चल्ल्या? आनी हें सगळें करता आसतना देर हॅज बीन नो proper clearances, whether from the National Wildlife Board or from the statutory authorities, which they have done. So what the government here is doing is just bulldozing their things, maybe just to appease a few of their higher-ups or for commissions or what, I don't know. But definitely we have put our foot down that Mole Amka Naka and Mole Anga linear project Samaj Aile, Asle projects which are destructive to the environment, it is definitely going to be a lot of problems. Yeah, Makaista, the secretary being here, the chairman being here earlier as a chief secretary already has knowledge about the state. Yes, what he was appraised as that he is personally moved around and seen the whole areas himself. Certain areas which are shown to him have also been quite surprising in terms of the knowledge what the state gave and what actually was. So we expect a very clear mandate from the CEC to be given in terms of what the people's mind is, people's sentiments are, what the actual requirement is, आणि मोला हे लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स हाडपाच्या फाटल्यान कितें एक्चुअल आसा काय ना जाल्यार फक्त कोळसो असो क्लियर दिश्टी पडटा आनी ताज्या खातीर आमचो ठाम विरोध आसा टू एन्श्योर दॅट कोल डज नॉट कम इन टू गोवा.